beautiful out here. There's a little bit of a wind chill. Can't remember off the top of my head what the temperature is right now, but I'll put that in the down here for you, in case you're wondering. But you know what? With everything going on in the world today, you know, you gotta find beauty in some things, and it is just so beautiful out right now. We got a light snowfall starting again, and yeah, there is a chance of rain tomorrow though, so I wanted to get out today and explore. So, oh man, it's just amazing. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick this up, but there's yipping and howling coming off in the distance over there. We can get into an area where we can see these. Sounds like they're coming closer. Back to the finish, I realize, as you know by now, you can hear them, but you can also hear me go. This thing picks up my breathing so well, unfortunately. But when you're bushwhacking in the cold, and you're a bigger guy, you breathe a bit heavier. So, but let's keep looking. That's where I am now, right now. They're playing too. Well, unfortunately, we still haven't come across any coyotes. But it's really starting to snow now, so I'm probably gonna start working my way out of here. We're just coming to the field that was on fire last year. If you watched any of my other videos, you might have seen a video where I ended up out here in my slippers, my cloud slippers, putting out a fire with the fire department. That's awesome. But that was fun. Yeah, it's really starting to snow. Let's go this way. Let's follow this trail. I think there's one right in the bushes. It's really hard to see with this camera right now because it's snowing so hard. It's focusing on snowflakes falling, and not the coyotes. I've lost sight of both of them. Now, you could technically track them with their footprints right now for a little bit before it fills in, but I don't suggest doing that. But that's where they came along right here and went into there. So it's gonna be hard to see because again it's snowing like crazy, but there's deer that just appeared there on the tree line, and there's 2 coyotes in these bushes right here. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen. They're more focused on me though, because they can see me. But none of us can see the coyotes right now. So I come from up there. It's my tracks. There's some deer tracks going this way, some coyote tracks over there. So this is where you're walking around and it starts to storm. Everything starts to look the same. So you can easily get lost. I'm going to try to squeeze through this path. And I know I'm supposed to be heading kind of southeast. So I'm going the right way. And that's all that matters. Whew. Okay, so I'm back on the trail. So I'm heading out of here. A little bit more sheltered this over here, which is nice. hard to film over there. It was too much of a blizzard. Okay. So that was pretty crazy. I'm hoping I got those coyotes really well. It was extremely difficult to film in this weather. I didn't get the photos of it. I know that, so that was difficult. But it's crazy coming across those coyotes and then having the herd of deer appear at the other end of the field. So, you know, that's nature. That would have been quite a cool video if they decided to turn it into a hunt. But, oh well. Everybody's got to eat, right? So this is just a short video. I'm actually not sure how much I filmed. But again, this is why I'm out here. Just for this. Actually, it was why I came out. Just for this beauty. Right? Like, see if they've been clearing trails. But look at this. Love it. Love it.